Hey, hey, hey! Here we are with the dun 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 first page of the wedding album. Yes, I have been married 6 years, going on 7. But you know what? We're in it to win it, so hey, I'm starting on it now. That's what matters. I don't plan on ever having to do this again, is all I'm saying. Anyway, this is a 5x7. I think I printed them all out through Walmart. Yep. Anyway, because I have so much supplies for my scrapbooking wedding album kit, I have gone ahead and gone through and looked at the papers and whatnot because we'd be here for days. Alright? So I picked this paper out of that, I believe it's it's a scrapbooking kit. It was a page kit that, if you go back and look at the video with, I showed everything that I was going to possibly be using, and I have already added more. But anyway, it says love is in the air, and it's already got a border around it. And then I picked out these 2 sheets and these, and I've already border punched these with my Fiskars punch. I have no idea where you can get this. Probably got it from AC Moore because that was my go-to place before I realized there was a Hobby Lobby. Anyway, alright, so my idea was mucho layers. Mucho. Oh, I wonder if I should. Yeah, I think I'll border punch this edge here too. Oh crap, now you're gonna start sticking? You couldn't pick a better time? You sorry joker. Don't look too bad, I guess. I just poked myself in the belly. Anyway, this little paper is just from a bulk pack, and it is shimmery. I don't know if you can see that just yet. I'll try to bring it up to you. Yeah, see? Okay. I could trim that down some, but I'm planning on putting my title down there, so. Okay. These doilies I got from my Lawn Fun kit that I won from Miss Bizzle, Miss Tori. Okay, so I plan on matting it on the pink, so I'm going to put the white one down first. Nope, pink one down first. This is a mirror-y type. I don't think I like that. I'm going to go this way. And because I have so much of all of it, I'm not really worried about saving it, so to speak. For later use. You know, how you like would have cut this all extra off. I think there comes a point in time when you realize you just got everything. Okay. I was really nervous to start this page. Because, I don't know, I think there's just going to be an expectation that I'm, crap, oh well, that I'm scared I'm not going to live up to. So, I don't know. Oh, I did that crooked. That's okay. We'll go back this way. Ha ha ha. Perfect, no, but then again, nothing new there. deciding to use this paper was like, Shannon, just do it. And I was like, but it's so pretty. Dagnabbit, I didn't put that out far enough. So let's go this way. Just a little bit. Okay. It's extremely thick. That's what I'm noticing. Sorry, I was totally looking at the paper, not paying attention to how close I was. Sorry! Anyway. Okay, so my idea was to have this as a focal point down here. And I've kind of put my, like, all my sprinkly stuff in one bag. I've got all my layering pieces in one bag. That's kind of how I went about organizing it, because I don't have any extra. Did I put that? No, okay. Extra tubs laying around. Dang it, that crooked again. Son of a monkey face. Dadgummit. Okay, that's the last cut because I ain't got no more. Alright, that's going to have to do. Good grief, I'm sorry. 7 minutes of just layering paper. I don't mean a doggone bit of sense. Anyway. Alright, so I already picked out my little title here, which says Wedding Day. And I picked these up at Hobby Lobby this week because the stickers were on sale. And that is the time to pounce. Okay. Nice. Then I got some word stickers here. These are from Lawn Fawn. These little ones here. This says 5-star day. And this one says Our Story. Ooh, come back here. Okay. Love everything about this moment. Smile, and then I got a little one here that says heart eyes. Very good. Okay. Now I have down here in the corner, see it says love is in the air. This is a little enamel piece. That's gonna say you and me. And a little glittery sticker that says forever. Probably should have checked that spacing out. Four of I just cut these out of the sticker sheet that I had them on because I find that is easier. For one, you get to see kind of where it's going to be and all that stuff. And then change it around. So let's get our sprinkly sprinkles out. Okay. Everything's nice and crooked, just how I do everything. So let's do wedding day. Few up here in the corner. Now, I don't know if I probably said this in the other one, but my theme was pink and white and silver and black. And so that's what, but it was bright pink. It was not like a pastel color pink at all. So that's why I've got these, what you may be thinking is god-awful color pink, but I loved it. I'm not saying I was right, I'm just saying it was right for me. That didn't work out good at all, did it? Hey, 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 get back up there. Ah, crap. One thing about holding on to stickers too long is you ain't got to worry about them sticking. There we go. Alright. And I will sprinkle it and be back. Alright, I used Rustic Retreat from Spiegel Mom's Scrippy Scraps, and I think I'm done. That one has purple in it, a little bit of purple sequins, but I kept them in there to because I have some purple later on that I'm going to incorporate. So I left it on there. Come on down, see what we got. Alright, I hope you guys had a great time. I'm sorry it went over the 10-minute mark. But can you imagine if I had to pick all the paper out and everything still? Yes. Anyway, you guys have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you on the flip side.